Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a really useful iPhone trick that most people don't even realize exists. Did you know that you can use the Messages app as a calculator or unit converter? That's right, no need to switch between apps or search Google for conversions. iOS 18 makes it super easy to do math calculations and even convert units like temperature and time, all from your text field in Messages. Let me show you exactly how it works. Alright, imagine you're planning a road trip with friends and you're coordinating everything over text. Before iOS 18, if you needed to do a quick calculation while texting, you would have to switch to the calculator app, do the math, and then go back into Messages to reply. Now you can calculate directly inside of Messages without ever having to leave the chat. Let's say you're renting an Airbnb for the week and need to quickly figure out what everybody owes. So you're in your group chat. Just type in the total divided by the number of the people into the text field. Something like 1,568. Let's just say that's the total. Then we divide it by 4. And the important part here is just to tap the equal sign. The answer pops up in the predictive text bar right above your keyboard. Just tap on it, boom. And it's instantly added to your text message. And then you can just send it. You can also do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and it's not just basic math that you can do. You can do more complex functions like sine, cosine, tangent. No more switching between apps just to solve a quick math problem. Now let's talk about unit conversions because this is a game changer. You can instantly convert things like temperature, Fahrenheit to Celsius, weight, pounds to kilograms, time, hours to minutes. For example, if you type in 60 hours to minutes equals, Messages will show you the conversion right above your keyboard. No extra steps needed. You can just tap on it and then tap on send. If you don't specify a unit, iOS 18 will automatically suggest the most relevant one. But if you want something specific, just type it out like in the example. Now let's put it all together with a real world scenario. Imagine you're texting your friends about a trip. It might go something like this. Your friend lets you know that the flight is going to be 9 hours long. You think to yourself, what is that in minutes? So you type it in. You say 9 hours, 2 minutes equals, and instantly you can see that it's 540 minutes. So you send the message and tell your friend, hey, we have time to watch the entire Dark Knight trilogy. Your friend then says, the local forecast says that the temperature is going to be 25.5 degrees Celsius, but I have no idea if that's hot or cold. You can then be the hero and type in 25.5 C equals, and you can instantly see that 25.5 Celsius is 77.9 degrees Fahrenheit. These are small but very useful tricks to make it much easier when traveling, planning events, or just dealing with different measurements in daily life. So what do you think? Pretty useful, right? Apple has really made Messages more powerful in iOS 18. No need for extra apps, just type what you need and let your iPhone do the work. Let me know in the comments, did you know about this feature? Will you be using it? If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.